Hello everyone. We all know that the saying, a friend in need is a friend indeed, goes for who helps us in our critical times. As a human being, we have a very beautiful journey. In this journey, many people cross our paths, but only few remains closer to our hearts. And from amongst them, only few are with us in our critical times. We all know that man is a social animal and is physically, emotionally dependent on others. Too much dependence on others makes us weak, while too less dependence makes us egoistic. Man gets trapped in this game of seesaw of ego and weakness. But don't worry, neither we have to depend more, not less on others if we make our mind our best friend. The mind is always active for us 24 into 7 hours. It is unstoppable power and a great companion if understood well. A mind is nothing but our own creation of our inner self. Whatever we act, do, respond is first created in mind and then we represent it physically by using actions, verbal language. If we are depending more on others for small tasks, then ask yourself a question that why I can't perform this smallest task. Your mind, your best friend, will give you the best answer. And again ask a question to your mind, what should I do so that I will do maximum task on my own? Mind is always hungry of questions, problems and puzzles. So feed your best friend with your problems and it will give the world's best answer because it knows what fits best for you. Same procedure apply for low dependency. If we think I am strong, I can face and overcome this situation without sharing our emotions to anybody, then ask yourself a question. Why I am suffering more? Your best friend, your mind will give you the best solution and you will heal and overcome all sufferings in the fastest way. It is not like that you don't listen to anybody. Rather, you should take advice, share problems to others. But the only thing, before taking any action, just have a small mind call with your superpower. So, don't worry, just go and have a small meet with your mind. Staying positive doesn't mean that things will turn out okay. Rather, it is knowing that you will be okay no matter how things turn out. Thank you. Have a nice time.